Hello friends, welcome to VR Creatives YouTube channel. If you do like our videos, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates on financial matters. I am Vikas Rai, your host for today, and I am here with another interesting informative video on online loans for LIC policies. I made this video mainly to help many LIC policy holders throughout India or maybe even abroad who may be exploring the need for financial funds right now, maybe due to some financial crisis. Before we get into the process of applying online policy loans, let us first explore the options. Well, most of us have an insurance policy which we have bought, and we are aware of the loans available in the policies. So when there is a crisis, so we look for options, and one of the options, or a very good option, could be loan against your insurance policy. Well, is it a good idea to avail loans against your insurance policy? Well, during crisis, why pay more when you have an insurance policy? Well, most of you are aware probably that most of the LIC endowment policies have a loan option once the premium payment term of 3 years is completed, so excluding a term plan of course. So there is a good sufficient amount of loan which will be available on your policies, and the main benefits of loan against your insurance policy is there is no need of a collateral to be held to get the loan, and there is no verification of your credit score or any other eligibility criteria for the sanction of the loans. So this makes it a very simple and easy process, and generally the loan is approved within 1 to 2 days. Along with these benefits, the LIC policies comes at a very lower interest rate compared to any other loan options which you may be availing, and also you can repay the loan at your desire. So every 6 months the interest gets calculated, and you can repay the interest and repay the principal when at your will. So along with this, the life insurance cover continues to stay, and also the maturity benefits remains intact, and very minimum documentation like your basic KYC and bank proof is required for the approval of these loans. So that makes LIC loans one of the most preferred options for customers to go with. Having said this, one of the major challenges customers face during the application of the loan is the servicing part. So many of the customers may be aware that the policy loans processing has to be done in your home branch from which the policy has to be bought. Well, this is true in case of the offline loan process. But to address the issue of policy servicing, LIC has recently brought in many digital advancements, and one of them has been the loan approval through the LIC customer portal. So this is a very simple process through which you can apply for online LIC loan on your policy and submit it to any nearest branch and get the loan approved within a day. So let us look into the process of how you can apply for online LIC loans. To start with, we visit the LIC India website, that is licindia.in, and in the home page we find host of online services. So under the online services we find the customer portal. So when we click on the customer portal, the website redirects into a page. You get an option for new user and registered user. So we are going to be seeing how to apply loan. So we already using a registered user account to browse through the option of applying for a loan. So if you are new to the LIC portal, please register yourself before we can do that. So how to register for a new user and explore the policy options, we have done a separate video for that, and you can go through the video in the description box. When we click on the registered user link, the page redirects into the LIC e-services website, where you are asked to enter your customer user ID, password and date of birth. So once you enter the credentials, when you sign in, the portal opens up and you will find the whole of options in your dashboard. In the dashboard, you will find the LIC policy online loan application as one of the premier services under LIC. But for the first time login, when you click on the premium services, it will prompt for the registration of the same. So what you have to do is initially register for the service under service registration. So under service registration request, you have to select for premium service registration, and there are simple 3-step procedure where you have the registration form, and next you print and save the form, and then you sign and upload the KYC documents and complete the premium service registration. So once we proceed, it will give you the basic customer details and generate the registration form. Once you click on the generate registration form, your registration request gets generated, and immediately you will get a service ID request number. So from here, once you click OK, you can proceed to download and print the form and upload it later. Once your registration form is generated, you can always track the request back in the track request status, where you can click on the premium services request and see the status of your request, and you can download and print the form again. When you click on download and print, it will open up a PDF file which you need to print and sign, and the signed application has to be uploaded here. By clicking on upload and submit document, you will find 2 upload options. One is the registration form. You will have to select the signed and scanned registration form and upload it, and also select one of the KYC documents, that is PAN card or passport, and then upload it and then submit the same before 7 days of the registration request. Once you submit the service request, LIC will verify your KYC and the application at the back end and send an approval within 1 to 2 days to your mail ID and SMS. So once you receive the confirmation of the service request being approved, you can again log into the LIC portal and you will find the premier services activated. Now this premier services gets activated and you can see all your policy numbers under the premier services. Now in the dashboard under service request, now when you click on this, you will find host of new options here. Earlier you used to get only the premium services and the NEFT registration option, and now you have all the options like loan address change and even switching of ULIP funds and PAN data registration available here. So under this we will select loan option, and when we click on loan option, we get the following procedures to be followed for a successful submission of online loan. So the online loan process will be OTP based, where the number given in the profile will be used, and once the OTP verification is done, the NEFT bank account, if already registered by the customer, will be used for the policy loan payment. If not, a duly signed application along with the NEFT form has to be submitted to the nearest LIC branch. So this is the biggest change to the nearest LIC branch, not the home branch where the policy is issued. So this makes it easier for the customer to just submit the documents to the nearest available branch for the processing of the loan. So during the first application of the loan, of course, you have to submit the original bond document and along with that, if needed, the NEFT details. So the loan will be cleared as far as you submit the request at the earliest within 1 to 2 days. So when I click on I agree and proceed, so I get an OTP to my registered mobile number, which I have to enter to process my loan. So once I enter the OTP and click submit, I get the option to select any one policy. So I have a host of policies registered in my portal, so I will select one of the policies just to demonstrate the options available. So once I select policy, the LIC portal will load and give me the option of the loan, that is the maximum value of loan available under the policy. So I can select the full value of the policy or even the partial value, that is any value below the maximum available loan option, and proceed. Similarly, if I select another policy number, the maximum loan available for that policy is being displayed, and I can again select the loan value I want to apply. So when I click next, we move on to step 3, that is the confirmation step. So since for this policy my NEFT mandate is already registered with LIC, so it displays the registered NEFT mandate account and asks you to confirm. So I can confirm it, or I can even change the bank if needed. So in case I click no, I can change the bank. And also the servicing branch request where the policy gets processed is also being displayed here, which is my home branch. However, I can submit the documents to the nearest LIC branch from which they will process the application. So once this is done, I can click next and confirm the policy. So once I click on confirmation in step 3, so the final step where the supporting documents that is required is the service request form along with policy loan application and NEFT mandate form is available for download. So my service request has been generated and all I need to do is download these forms, print it, take it to the nearest LIC branch and get my loan approved. So that brings us to the end of this video. I have tried my best to explain step-by-step process of applying for LIC policy loans online. So if you found this video useful, please do share it with your friends and family, and also support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.